Hello, everyone. My name is Andrea Baber, and I am a senior admissions counselor with Central Washington University. I am excited to share some quick updates with you all about CWU. Central Washington University is a four-year public institution with our main campus located in the center of the state in Ellensburg, Washington. We also have 7 university centers across the state, and students who have completed their 2-year degrees can transfer and finish off a bachelor's degree with CWU at one of those centers. In total, we have a little over 12,000 students with an average class size of 25, making us a medium-sized university. And this really allows for big school spirit, but a small class environment where students can connect with their classmates and their professors. And we offer over 135 majors and programs with several unique majors that we offer, so there's always something for everyone at CWU. And some of our top majors would be in education, music performance, our College of Business, and then a lot of the sciences such as environmental sciences, computer sciences, and also the health sciences. Now for a few updates. There has been a change to the college academic distribution requirements, otherwise known as CADRs, where they are now requiring 3 credits of science. Previously it was only 2. And this additional credit does not need to be lab-based. Moving forward, CWU is officially test optional for the SAT and ACT. And while we're planning for a hybrid fall, we will still be offering our one-on-one virtual on-the-spot admissions appointments throughout fall. And as some reminders, our application fee is $60, but we are still accepting application fee waivers such as the NACAC fee waiver. And we are rolling admissions, but we do have our priority date set for March 1st. And then as one final reminder to students, if they have a 3.0 cumulative GPA or higher and their CADR complete, they will be guaranteed admissions to CWU if they apply. Now for some other new and upcoming things at CWU. We are currently planning an in-person open house for fall, which will be October 23rd. So save that date. We'd love to have you and your students on our campus. We will be offering both online and in-person campus tours, both which are led by our student ambassadors. And then we'll also be having Instagram live tours throughout the fall. So follow us on Instagram to see when those will be offered. But those are fun because they'll take you to different places on campus that you won't necessarily see on our tours. And then CWU is now offering a computer science program at our CWU Des Moines Center. And then finally, please stay tuned for more information about our scholarships and waivers, which should be available mid-September. So not a lot has changed from last year with financial aid, but as a reminder, CWU continues to be one of the best values in the state, with the majority of our students receiving financial aid. And our average cost for students after they've received financial aid and any scholarships is right around $3,000. So we're always trying to provide access to education for our students. And we also still have financial aid videos and presentations, which are on our website, the financial aid website. And I really encourage students to utilize these resources because it can really help make their process for applying for financial aid a little less stressful. I wanted to share with you all who your admissions counselors are. So we are responsible for different parts of the state, and please feel free to connect with us and encourage your students to do the same. Our counseling team will also be reaching out to the high school counselors to provide updates throughout the fall and asking how we can best support you and your students as we move through this hybrid fall. So those are my updates. Thank you all for joining, and I hope you have a great day.